In this video, I'm gonna be showing you step by step how to live stream pre-recorded video on YouTube. So first of all, make sure you have the recorded video on your PC and you have activated live stream on your YouTube. Now we have to install the OBS Studio for live stream. So just go to your browser and search for OBS Studio and download the OBS Studio. It's completely free. You get here OBS for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Just select your operating system and install the OBS Studio. Now go ahead and launch the OBS Studio. In OBS Studio, come to this scene box. Here we have to create a new scene. So click this plus icon and scene name I'm giving here YouTube stream and clicking on OK. And the scene successfully created. Now select the YouTube stream scene and under this scene we have to add our video source. So come to this source box and click this plus icon. To add the pre-recorded video here, select media source and you can type anything here. I'm typing video and clicking on OK. Now click on browse and from your PC select your video, which video you want to live stream on your YouTube. So I'm selecting this video for example, and now here you can loop the video by checking this option and I'm clicking on OK. And we can see the video add date. In case if you want to change this video resolution, then go to settings and select video, and now from here you can change your canvas resolution, output resolution. So for YouTube this 9020 by 1080 is perfect, and make sure the ratio is 16:9. Then click on OK. Okay, now to add your microphone sound, you can again click on this plus icon to add another source and select here input audio input capture and click on OK and select the microphone, which microphone you are currently using, and we can see the video and microphone add date. Now go to your browser and go to your YouTube and make sure to sign into your account, then click on create and select go live. And now we have to select when we want to go live. You can select setup to live stream now, or you can select schedule live stream for later. So we are going to select this option, go live now, and choose the type of stream to begin. So here we have to select these use an encoder OBS option. So select streaming software, and here is this video made for kids? I'm selecting no, it's not made for kids. And now under stream settings here you will find your stream URL and your stream key. So just copy this stream URL and then go back to your OBS Studio and click on settings. In settings select stream, then click on this service, click on show all, and from this list we have to find out YouTube RTMPS. So select YouTube RTMPS and click on use stream key to connect and cut this stream key from this field and paste your copied stream URL or stream key in this field and then click on connect account, and you directly jump into your browser sign in page. Select your Google account for YouTube, click on continue, and we can see the YouTube live stream now connected with my OBS Studio. And here we can see my channel name showing, then clicking on apply and OK. Now we are ready to go live. Just click on this start streaming option, and if you see this message, you need to set up a broadcast before you can start streaming. Then just click on manage broadcast, and here enter here your broadcast title. I'm typing here YouTube stream and privacy selecting public, and then clicking on create broadcast and start streaming option. Okay, now we can see the live stream successfully started and connected. And here, as you can see, my live streaming successfully started from OBS, and this is a pre-recorded video. And that's how you can actually go live to YouTube using pre-recorded video. Thanks for watching.